You guys, so this is King&Queenkarate. We're over here in Walgreens. I actually had to pick up some items that I had ordered online. You guys, and then I am going to grab a few other items while I'm in here. Come on with us and shop. And let the fun begin. You know, I'll show you guys a few little deals and stuff as we go in the minute. You guys, we're in the photo idol. This is basically where you come and pick up things. You guys, so I went on ahead and got the pickup order, and we're gonna go through here. I know, like, I have bought some of this Gold Bond lotion. You spend $20, you get $10 back in Walgreens cash. But I didn't see it on my receipt. Normally, sometimes it doesn't show up right away. But once I buy some other things, I probably could see it. I didn't even feel like even checking in my app. So that's not really a problem. And if it doesn't, I can just call customer service because the manager's not here. Oh, look at this. This is a good deal right here for this Dove hand wash, foamy hand wash for $2.49. So I am going to grab that. I wasn't coming in here to grab it, but you know, you guys, when you run into some deals and stuff, you just might as well get them, you know, right then and there. So that's awesome as well. That's what I like to do. And you guys, they do have that save, I think it's what, save $3 off of the Dove, in which the Dove is on sale for $7, I believe. Well, it ends on January 27th, so we still have some time for that. I'm not going to grab the Dove right now because we have plenty of it, but I might come back and grab some once I work out another deal, because you guys, you know, you just want to go low, low, low. You want to spend as little as you can, like, out of pocket. So that's why I like coming to Walgreens, because once you find a deal, you really be like, oh wow, that's awesome. And then you can get some other things. So basically, you're pretty much getting crumbs, you know, crumbs on the dollar, pennies on the dollar. So that's awesome. So we're just walking through until we get over here by the Bounty. Just showing you guys some other deals. If you may want to come to Walgreens, again, this is not a sponsored video, but I definitely enjoy coming to Walgreens and showing you guys. And I know you guys love when you're watching my videos and you get to see some of the exciting deals. Might have some clearances. Just check your Walgreens, because you never really know what they may have. Each store has different tags as far as the clearance items. So, you know, that's awesome. It looks like a lot of that stuff has been sold out. So, again, do me a favor and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell as well, so that you can stay updated with the newest videos. You guys, we definitely appreciate you. So there's some more little items and stuff, just showing you again, as I stated. So that's awesome. Oh, those are cute. Those are awesome. Okay, so let's see. We are actually here in the area where we needed to be at. So, let's see. Are these the ones that are, I'm always seeming to, oh, here they go. They have the buy four of these Bounty, Charmin, even the Tide and Gain items. Buy 4 and you will get a $5 register rewards coupon back. So it's not bad at all. I know that's what I thought I seen. hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, actually they are. These have to be the same ones, I believe so. But it looks like they have some different tags up here. Again, it is Saturday, so that could be the reason why I'm not. You guys bear with me. Hopefully it's still existing. If not, it's just like, oh well, whoop-de-woo. I really don't even care. I'm just going to continue to get this stuff anyways, because I'm not really going to be coming out of pocket that much. So that's actually a great deal. Oh my gosh, you guys, I done just spilled things, dropped things all over this place. Thanks a lot, King&Queenkarate, for getting this stuff up for me. He's such a gentleman. You guys, gentleman. So that's awesome. So we got these items, you guys. Let's continue to look. And if these are not on sale, I mean, like, if you're not getting the registry rewards back, that's fine, because they're still like 2 for $10. That's still a great deal, you guys. So you really can't complain on that at all. But these do look like some newer tags, because it is Saturday, and most of these stores, they just go ahead and change their tags for the following week, because the sale starts on Sunday, because just actually these right here are supposed to still be on sale. If you buy one, you get 2 free, but it's stating $1.99 right now. They're actually like, what, $3.49 or so. So really can't beat that at all. And I just bought some of those items the other day. So I'm just trying to figure out if I wanted to grab some more or not. It's actually a great deal, but I think I'm just going to pass on that, you guys. So let's see what else they may have. It looks like, yeah, all this stuff is for tomorrow, starting tomorrow. Look, this store sells all types of things, you guys. Everything at Walgreens, you can actually find some great deals, even on your food items and stuff. Some people will be saying that Walgreens is extremely high. Now, I do agree on some of their items. They are higher than other stores, but then you can also like come through and see that they actually have some great deals, you guys. So that's the amazing part, especially if you know how to do a little couponing. If you grab some items where you may get a lot of registry rewards and Walgreens cash, and then you can just go ahead and buy those items and then buy your other items. So you basically going to be getting things for definitely pennies on the dollar, you know, like I stated. Again, thanks a lot, you guys, for tuning in. We definitely appreciate you. So we're going to just go on up to the front and check out. And I'll see you guys on another trip. So, peace, you guys. God bless. Much love. Awesome.